In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to invite a new user to a beginner campaign in Wrike. We'll walk through this together step by step, so even if you're new to Wrike, you'll be able to follow along and repeat the process on your own later. First, start by opening Wrike and navigating to the beginner campaign workspace. This will usually be a folder or project that your team has already set up. If you're following from a link, go ahead and click that, and it should take you directly into the correct campaign area. Once you're there, make sure you can see the main table or list view of tasks. This is important because the options we need will appear in this context. When the beginner campaign is open, look towards the area that's highlighted in your interface. Depending on your layout, this might be in the top bar or in a panel related to task sharing or assignees. The key here is to identify the highlighted element that indicates sharing or inviting collaborators. Take a moment to hover your mouse and confirm you're clicking the right thing, since Wrike has several icons that can look similar at a glance. Next, click on the highlighted section. This will open up additional options related to who has access to this campaign or task list. In many cases, you'll see a list of people who are already involved, along with options to add more. If you already see your own account and other teammates there, that's perfectly normal. From this menu, look for an existing contact or placeholder that you want to manage. In our example, we're clicking on an email address that's already visible in the drop-down or sharing panel. Go ahead and click on that email entry. This helps Wrike understand that you're working with access and invitation settings, and it will bring up the controls you need to invite someone new. Once that panel is open, you should see an option labeled Invite by Email. This is what allows you to bring new people into your beginner campaign, even if they're not currently part of your Wrike account. Click on Invite by Email. From here, you'll be able to type in the email address of the person you want to invite, choose the appropriate access level, and send the invitation. And that's the full flow. Open the beginner campaign, click the highlighted sharing area, select the relevant email entry, and use the Invite by Email option to add your new collaborator.